Hello YouTube, this is Ash from the Solar Guy. This is my first video about soldering and I am making a full series of it. So do subscribe me to watch my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's start with it. First, heating the IC. This is AMD 44 SOP. Heat it well. Heat all the pins so that it leaves the circuit. Now take a scratcher and put it below the IC and apply little force to get the IC off the circuit. This is done now. You can see now the print of the circuit is fully messed with the solder. Now we are using a dissolving to remove the unwanted solder, like how I'm doing. And now just clean the circuit before placing the IC on it. Now just match the IC pin with the circuit print and solder minimum 2 pins with it so that it can stay on his place. Now apply a flux to the one side of the IC, and now the time comes to solder it. Just move the iron from upper side to the lower side. That's all you have to do. Now do the same thing to the other side of the IC. Apply flux and move the iron from the upper side to the lower side. That's all for this video. Do subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Peace.